It's easy to get started with RVS. From the RVS Project Manager, you can create a project for on-host or on-target testing within minutes, or just load up a sandbox project and plug in your own code. A range of resources are available to help you get started quickly. Interactive tutorials help you understand how to set up and run RVS, covering every step from setting up your project to exporting your results. Example projects, reports, and tests let you explore using RVS with example code. Documentation provides a comprehensive guide to all aspects of RVS, including detailed reference information and tips on how to use the software efficiently. Whenever you have questions, RVS helps you answer them quickly. Contextual help links give you direct access to more information about the task you're doing, while the help search lets you find useful resources.